Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day here in my studio in Texas. I'm often in my studio 12 hours a day. I commit my entire working life, which is kind of my entire life really, entertaining hopefully you, having some fun. We're making money. This is my real money, and I aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube, sharing everything openly and honestly, every detail in front of you so you can see and follow my journey. And we started at $5,000 and we are now at 37 on here. The Roth IRA is now 13,000 and the overall balance is 50,925. Now the reason why it's jumped up 1,000 or two in the last 24 hours since Friday, I will explain to you live on the show and exactly my strategy, because you also know how much money I've got in the bank, which was 1,500 in my checking and 1,500 in my savings. I will come on to that in a few moments. All right, so let's get straight into it. We have our biggest ever cash giveaway as well. Our biggest ever cash giveaway with a value exceeding $1,000. If you'd like to be involved in that free to enter free for all competition, let me know. We're giving away 15 hours one-on-one personal training with one of our investors, very successful investors, Ed Nevius, and a $100 cash prize, which actually might increase as well. It's free to enter, free for all, and just one ticket can get you to win. But if you want to increase your chances of winning, we have extra tickets to give away if you want to get more tickets. If you want to know about that, let me know in the chat or any comments below any video, and I'll put you in touch with our competition. It's our biggest ever competition, exceeding $1,000 value. All right, let's get straight into our live trades. Here we go. Good morning, everybody. And if it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. Ring the bell is so you get breaking news throughout the day. Very, very important. And as always, if you wouldn't mind, smash the like button. That really does help our channel as well. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Let's bring all the information that you need, the ticker on the screen. All the links are below all my videos. All my social media is below all my videos. So if you want to know about my videos and what's going on, I can see some love hearts coming up in the live chat. I don't know where that came from. I've never seen that before. There was a load of love hearts coming up in the chat, in the live chat. Never seen that before. I don't know if that's a new software, technology, whatever, on YouTube. That looks pretty cool. Anyway, welcome everybody over there on TikTok. If someone could do that again, I'd be interested to see where it came. Yeah, look, love hearts coming up on the screen. I can see all this love and flutter. It's like... where's that coming from? Anyone know where that's coming from? Can someone tell me on let me share with you. Look, if I show you here on my channel, can anybody else see that? Do it again. If you do it again, you'll see it. Look, there you go. Look at that. Never seen this before. Does anyone know where that's coming from? Look at that. There you go. Brilliant. Anyway, that's really cool. I've never seen that before. Anyway, I'm on iPhone. It's on the right. Oh, is it? That's a new feature then. We've never seen that before. Let me go to my iPhone. I don't know if I can do it. Ah, yes. Oh, yeah. They're trying to follow TikTok, aren't they? Ah, yeah. That's probably going to give me some extra... there you are. You've got another job to do now, everybody. That's probably going to give me extra perks and benefits. If you enjoy the show and you want to smash the like, you want to do that on the side of the screen. Oh, you can scroll up. You can scroll up. So you can do 100%. There you go. That's a new feature from on the iPhone. So, yeah, just discovered that. I'm sure then that will obviously benefit the creator if you do that sort of thing. It's like adding extra likes. How cool is that? Didn't know about that. Now we can do cheers on the screen. Yeah, brilliant. Anyway, Now, Mike, I need to talk to Mike 166A. There's something wrong with your account or whatever. I think that you have blocked me, Mike, because I can't. You know what? You said you can't see my comments in the chat. Everybody else can see my comments, right? Hi all. Everyone can see that, right? Now, Mike, I can't. Not only can you not see my comments, Mike, I can't reply to your comments on YouTube. So I want you to know, you're not getting any replies from me because I can't reply to you. I can see your comments, but I can't reply. So what it tells me is you've clicked block this creator, block this person. So even though you're a moderator of my channel, which is weird, right? You've blocked me. So basically you don't see my comments and I can't reply to your comments. You're telling YouTube that you don't want me to contact you. So that's essentially what it is. All right. So I don't know how to fix that. You've obviously clicked to hide this person on the right hand side, and there's no way for me to turn that off. What you can do, I know you said you spoke to YouTube, is you can go into your settings and at the bottom you can look in I'm on about YouTube Studio settings, and I think it's community, and look in there, and you've probably blocked me, banned me or hidden me. So if you unhide me, you can do that. I wonder if I can bring it up on the screen to share with you what I mean. There you go. See down the bottom of the screen here, you got settings. Okay. See, this is YouTube Studio. Okay. Hang on a minute. Dashboard. This is YouTube Studio. Okay, this is the back end of your account. Even if you're not a creator, you have these settings, all right? Now, you go to settings down here. Let me just go to settings a minute. I'm not sure what I'll show. I don't want to show all my back-end information. I'm not allowed to. Okay, so when you get there, you'll see this box here, General. After clicked in settings, all right? Let me just change my screen a minute just to make sure that I'm not showing anything. Can you see community here? There's community. I think you'll be in there. So then look in community. Okay. You go into community, and there you go. There you go. Right. Okay. This is what you see in community. You see moderators. So for me, look, I've got you as a moderator. All right. Approved users. I've even approved you to try to fix it. That didn't work. And then you've got hidden users. Now, you've probably got me in the hidden users. So you need to go in there and delete, and then I think that'll fix it. I don't know. I'm not 100% certain, but that's the only thing I can think of. Okay. Anyway, moving swiftly along. Let's go through all our stocks. And let's have a little look. Let's read all the comments on the screen. If you're here on YouTube, KO. So in the live chat now, folks, you will see some extra ways to like the video and promote the video. Down the side, you can now see little things here. This will probably benefit the show. See? Down the side, this is a new feature. So you can tap the loves. You can tap the smiles, and this I'm sure will actually benefit the channel. I'm sure about that. All right, so you need to go into the live. You need to go into the chat settings, chat filter, all messages. There you go. Where's it gone? It's gone away now. It was there a second ago. It was there at the beginning. When I came out and went back in again, it's gone. Okay. Maybe it'll come back. That's interesting. Anyway, it's gone now. Maybe when you go out, come back in again, it's gone. I don't know. It's a new feature. Who we got here? We've got the Silver Surfer. We got Malk. Good morning. Hello, gents. Good to be back. Mike. Good to have you back, Malk. There you go. Someone's doing it. You found it. ETORO, good morning. Hi, Tio and Silver Surf. Octavio, good morning. Jeffrey Diamond is here. Good morning, Jeffrey Diamond. How are you? Flutter Edits, how are you today? Martin, I'm in the middle of creating you a song about J&J. Brilliant. Brilliant. That's it. If you want to write, if you are good at words, write the words for a stock, and then I will put a funny little tune to it, and I'll record it and release it as a little song. And you will be the one who wrote the words for it. If you are good at writing, so pick a stock, and I will make a little ditty out of it. Anyway, good morning, Sid. How are you? He's our professional songwriter. Sid's in the chat. Who else have we got here? Scroll down. Eric's B is here. Good one, Flutter. Sensei is here. Good morning, Sensei. Sensei, call me after the show. I've got lots to talk to you about. I'm not ignoring you. You've sent me loads of questions, and you're probably thinking, why hasn't he answered? Loads of it sounds great. Love all your ideas and your creativity. Let's have a conversation. By the way, the friends and fans for 25% off ends in a couple of days' time. So if you want any of my merchandise customized for free with your name on it, let me know and I will do it for you. And you'll get the cheapest ever price. There's never going to be a price cheaper than that because they are knocking the price off 25%. I can only ever give about 5 because I only make about 5-6% on the merchandise. So that's brilliant. Usman Mohammed, good morning to you. How are you? Bill is here. Good morning, Bill. Ali Isles, hey everyone. It can definitely happen, Mike. I fall asleep on my phone all the time. Which coin can I invest in, sir? Which coin can I invest in? Usman XRP. Sensei Crypto is our crypto expert in our channel. If you want to know about crypto, you ask Ali. That's Sensei Crypto. He tells me what to buy. I don't give any advice at all on crypto. It's not my thing at all. What I will tell you I did this morning is I bought 2 shares of Tesla, and I announced it just before I do it. All my trades I put on my Twitter account. If you've not yet followed me on Twitter, here is my Twitter account. It's a verified account. There it is. There I am. If you want to follow me. We've got, there's my Tesla. I'd like your thoughts, actually. I just posted this morning. I bought some shares of Tesla. I'd like your thoughts, and I will highlight the best comment and tag you in one of my top posts. So there is the Twitter feed. If you want to promote your Twitter channel, go on there. I'll reply back and I will tag you. The one who gives me the best comment, I will tag you in the post, so it will get you more followers on Twitter. There you go. There's the post. Go and leave me your thoughts. Is it a good idea to buy Tesla today? What's your strategy on Tesla? Let me know your thoughts. Okay. Felician. Hello, Mike. How are you? Lovely to see you. Felician, welcome our guests from France. Let's welcome our guests in from France. So let me do that now. I'm going to let me Google Translate. Let me go to that a minute. Right, here we go. I want to welcome our guests. And we're going to send it into French. I like to welcome our guests from around the world. Welcome, Felician, and all our friends and guests in France. All right, there we go. So now I can say it in French. Are you ready? Here we go.
Bienvenue à Félicien et à tous nos amis et invités en France.
Market-wise, are there topics of the day today? We are looking at scalp trading Tesla. What I'm doing is I'm buying several shares at a time and selling one of them, making a profit on that to lower my average, but to make some money along the way. We're also we're watching Virgin Galactic. We're scalp trading Virgin Galactic as well, lowering averages, buying maybe 200-300 at a time and lowering that. We're also looking to see the S&P drop and buy considerably more of that on my Roth IRA. We're going to talk about interest on Robinhood in a few moments' time as well. And also, it's Tilray's earnings. Now, tonight, I've posted about 30 different earnings. Tonight is Tilray earnings. It's earnings season again, so there's going to be extra shows throughout earnings season. If you look at upcoming live streams, think of that as a TV guide. Today we've got where has it gone? There we go. Tilray Brands. We've got lots of earnings coming up. We've got Google, McDonald's, Tesla, J&J, Next Era Energy, Coca-Cola, Chevron. I'm covering all of these. Lucid, SoFi, Rivian, Virgin Galactic, Walmart, IonQ. I'm covering all of those, so they are all topics of the day. So there you go. Quite a bit going on for you. So there you go. Looking at Tilray right now because they got the earnings tonight. You're looking for some volatile movement. If it drops to 2, I'll buy a little bit more, but I will trade it straight out. If it pops up like 20%, some breaking news on that, then of course I would sell some as well off the top. Right, so I already know 3 or 4 moves ahead what I'm going to do. DR Murray, hi Martin, hope as well. Zach, welcome to Zach. Hello everyone. Zach, we are on target for the end of the year, December. It's actually moving forward quickly, actually, to being able to do another fundraiser for you. Zach runs a charity, and once I hit 10,000 subscribers, which we're on target for the end of the year, it could be earlier. As you can see, in 67 days, we'll be at 1 million views. That's the target. I can then do fundraisers where the super chats go directly to the registered charity. Very, very exciting stuff. So if you are a registered charity, then we can do fundraiser concerts and stuff like that directly for you, where they go directly to the fundraiser. Very exciting. Dra, good morning, Dra. How are you? I might be DR Murray. It might be writing a sad song about space. Very good. Write it, send it in, stick it on Discord, and I'll put some music to it. Thank you, Development. Thanks, Zach. Happy Easter to you as well. Happy greetings from Uganda, for Africa. That's Development Alert Uganda. That's Zach. Thank you very much. Tell us your reason for the Tesla purchase, Martin. Well, okay, the reason for buying Tesla this morning is, even though it is still expensive and still overpriced, it's a lot better than it was at 210, 220. I want to buy it more, considerably more, at 150. However, the stock is a blue chip stock. You do pay a premium for certain stocks, Tesla being one of those stocks, right? I've got every belief that it will go lower. So why am I buying it? I can't time the market. I'm not trying to time the market. And remember, if you're trying to time the market by using charts, you're looking at the information that everybody else is looking at, and you'll very often lose out because everyone's trying to buy it at a certain price. Everyone's trying to sell it at a certain price because everyone's looking at the same charts. Makes perfect sense, right? So what I'm trying to do is stocks that I don't mind owning long term, I want to buy. And if I was just trying to buy it, I'd already got a big position like VU, J&J, Coca-Cola. I've already got those. Plenty of a balance of my portfolio. I don't need any more. However, I will buy if they go to my all-time lows. Tesla is not an all-time low. For me, Tesla is 110. However, it may never go to 110. Now, we do have earnings season coming up, so stocks will be very volatile. There'll be lots of movement up and down. So what I'm trying to do is, when I see it drop like this, I bought 2 shares this morning. If it doesn't go up and it continues going down, I'll try and get a few more as it gets nearer and nearer 150. That's where I really want to buy it, and below, of course. What I intend to do, I've already got 2 or 3 moves laid out, okay? I bought 2 this morning. If it goes up to 195, that'll be a decent little profit. I will sell 1. I won't sell both because I'm trying to accumulate. So I don't want to get in and out as fast as I get in. That's not what I'm trying to do. The next time I do it, I'll probably buy 4, and I will buy 4, sell 2, and make 30, 40 bucks over the 2. And eventually, by making the profit on the 2 shares I've sold out of the 4, I'm basically overall not just making profit, but I'm also getting a discount, if you like, on the 2 I've just bought. So I don't have to wait for Tesla to go to 150. If I buy 4 shares at 180 and then I sell 2 shares for 200, effectively I've built in my own discount, because I've sold the first 2, got the money back out again, made a profit on it. So technically, the first 2, I've got a 10 or 20 bucks discount. That's how I can actually get the stocks at the lower price, by trading half of them. So that's what I'm doing. I only do that on stocks I actually want to own, because if it keeps going down, I'm not going to feel bad about it. Whereas a stock like Rivian, for example, or Lucid, if that keeps going down, a company that actually loses money, I don't particularly want to keep adding to those positions, because there's no real evidence that they're going to go up. So that's why I'm doing it with Tesla. If Tesla goes down today, another 20 bucks, another 10, I'll buy maybe another 2. And then I'll sell 2 when it goes up to 190. Something like that. So that's my strategy. I hope that makes sense. There you go. Mercy, says Felician, are you going to buy a Chevron on the back for the buyback later in the year? The buyback has already happened. Malk, people have been talking about Chevron's buyback. It's been happening for years. It made a big announcement on CNBC a few months ago. Jim Cramer talked about the buyback. It didn't just happen overnight. It's been happening gradually over time. So it's already priced in. It's already partly happened. It's going to continue to happen. I've got CVX. I own Chevron. And I'd like to just make some money from it to take a profit. It's a good dividend. If I get some profit, I can sell half of what I own. I've got a decent position in Chevron. Get some money out of it. And then buy it back on the dip. That's my strategy for Chevron. Non-farm payrolls were released Friday. That's the biggest influence on the market today. 22. Thank you very much indeed for that. Hello everyone. Hope as well. Vision for Bitcoin. Bill says, I'm out of stocks until the war in Ukraine ends. A waste of money otherwise. Well, I don't think it's a waste of money. And I'll tell you why I don't think it's a waste of money. And it's not a matter of I don't think. I know it's not a waste of money. Because if I show you my year to date, I'm up 7.66. This is far better than last year. If you're not in the stocks now, you're missing out. There it is. Over a period of coming on 4 months now, I am up 7.64. If we look at the year, you can see it's bottomed out. I said my shares bottomed in December. My portfolio did, bottomed in December. It may never go that low again. There's a possibility it could go lower. That's why I've got money on hand. But if you were in last year with the stocks going down and you're out now, then you're doing it back to front, Bill. You should be in now. There's the evidence. That's the longest sustained growth my portfolio has ever had. You can look at it right there. There's the big drop the last year, year and a half, all the way down here. And now we've had the longest period of sustained growth my portfolio has ever had. So there is the facts right there. So I don't think it is the time to be out of the market. I think it's the time to be in the market. Anyway, BSV all-time lows. You buying any question? You buying any question to Martyn or Vision for Bitcoin? I'm not buying at all, Sensei. I'm completely out of BSV. I'm only buying Bitcoin. The rest is down to you. I'm buying Bitcoin if it goes lower, but every other crypto, I'm buying on your challenge, and that's it. Bill, if you become a bronze member, you still may get a gold badge. Yeah, he will. He will. If he becomes a member again within a period of time, I think it's 30 days. He holds his history, but I don't think he's about a week or maybe a week or 2 away. If he's not, he'll start again. Anyway, let's have a look. Well, that's it, Bill. You came out of the market. You stayed in. You should have stayed in. Everything has gone up this year, as you can see. I've just shown you. Sorry to that, Bill. Wish you all the best. We all wish Bill the best. Yeah. Sorry about that. Just a great day. Does it better for you? I guess. Just a great day. Does it get better for you? I guess, says Zach. We just got a super chat. I think we just got a super chat from Mike. It's not showing on the screen. That's weird. Mike's account is doing some very weird stuff. I saw a super chat from Mike, but I don't see him in the chat. I think Mike's account either might be compromised like Bill's was, or he's done some funny things. But I don't see Mike in the chat, but he's able to do a super chat. Very strange. Anyway. So, let's go back to the trades. Okay, Martin, I got it. What have you got? Mike, what have you got? Mike, can you now see me? Mike, can you now see me? All right. Okay, Martin, I got it. I think he's followed my help. Yes. So what did you? So had you blocked me? You could tell Bill how to fix it. So there you go. I was right, wasn't I? Was I right? Was I right? Was I right or was I right? I just want you to say live on camera so the world can go, yeah, Martin was right. Just because. Was that the issue? Right, we got half an hour before the bell goes. Yes. Can you see me? Yes. Was that the issue? We're just waiting to hear from Mike. All right, Tesla still going down. So I want to buy some more if it continues to go down. CPI and FOMC minutes on Wednesday. CPI and yes, indeed. It was in my Google account. 3 were blocked. There you go, Mike. It was in my Google account. 3 were blocked. There you go. So you blocked me and now you can see me. So, yeah, you must have gone into my account, in your account, and blocked me. Anyway, let's put a minute on the clock. I'm glad you've solved it. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Okay, we want to get 20 likes on the video in 1 minute. It really helps the channel. I like all the little emojis at the side. That really helps the channel if you do that, by the way, folks. All right, here we go. So, smash the like button. We've got 32 watching. Buying more Tesla as she drops. 32 watching. Let's get at least 20 likes. There we go. Smash the like button. 30 seconds to go. It really helps the channel. Simply smashing the like button shares it to YouTube and more people get to see it. And a porn site too. Don't mix me up with your porn. What's going on? How come I'm in your porn category? That's a bit strange. What's going on there? All right, there we go. Smash the like button. We're at 16 likes. 10 seconds to go. Can we get to 20 likes? It would really help the channel if we could get to 20 likes. 16. And remember, at 50 likes, we will do a special voice for you. 19, 17, 8, 19, 20. Yes, 20 likes. Fantastic. We got there in the end. Brilliant. There we go. We've just gone to 20 likes. Brilliant. Okay. So now Tesla has gone down further. So we're still up on it. We're still up 10% overall because my average was 110. I didn't block him. It was a mistake. When I blocked the porn in chat, evidently. There you go. So, top tip. Mike, was it in the settings where I told you to go? Was it in the settings where I told you to go? Because if that was the case, others could go back there and do the same thing. If anyone can't see my comments. Just so I can learn from that. So I can learn from your mistake. I could now reply to you now, which will be nice. Let me go to comments. I haven't responded. Ah, look at all your comments. Mike, look at this. Look at what I see. Look at what I see. Look, hundreds of your comments have all popped up. Look, all these comments have popped up. So now I can reply to you. Look, all these comments. That's why you wasn't getting any replies from me, see? There you go. Ali, your animated logo is well smart. There you go. Malk likes it. Malk likes it. Brilliant. Okay, we're getting ready. Half an hour to go. Tesla. I like Tesla going down like this. I'll pick a bit more up. I just bought 2 more. Expecting it to go down. Not trying to time the market. With the full intent of owning it. Now then, the other topic of conversation today. Arrival is up 26%. Arrival is up 26% today. So breaking news on Arrival. Duplicate. I was asked to actually mention this. So I had a request from a member. Could I cover Arrival? And Arrival is today up 27%. Let's have a look. There we go. Shot up. Let's have a little look. When is Arrival earnings? It's not posting on here. Oh, there it is. May 17th. A while to go. Expectations are dramatically down. So someone asked me, one of my members asked me to make a video on Arrival. So I will do that now. I said I would. My take on Arrival. Okay. Okay, let's, we've got time, we've got 28 minutes to go. Let's bring everybody up to date there, and we are 32 minutes in. 32 mins RVL. Let's have a look. So Sensei, give me a call later, and I'll have a conversation with you. The settings were fine in YouTube, but it suggested that I go to Google and see. It suggested, did it? How did it suggest that? But anyway, you go to Google, and it was blocked in there. All right, brilliant. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at Arrival then. Here we go. We want to bring this in. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Arrival, ticker symbol ARVL, pops up today just under, well, 27% now. It was slightly higher. In fact, it got as high as 40. No, even higher than that. Back over here, 56%. Pretty good. Why is it popping up? Well, if we look a bit further down, there is a couple of reasons. First of all, we've got the earnings coming up on May 17th. So it's another a month and a week to go yet. So we will get some volatility between now and then. The stock has got a dramatically decreased expectation. Now remember, that expectation here, the Q4 expectation, is not set by the company itself. It's set by analysts. We can't always trust what analysts say. Sometimes they are influencing the stock in one direction or another. Right now, the stock is down at 15 cents. When a stock reaches this level, for me, it's merely a lottery ticket. The stock is at the verge of being delisted. Of course, they would have to do a massive reverse split to save it, to keep it on the exchange. For me right now, it is a lottery ticket. However, with the expectation so low, is there an opportunity here to make some money? Well, before I give my thoughts on it, I'm going to ask you to do one thing for me. Would you mind clicking subscribe or ring the bell and give me a nice big thumbs up to this video? Leave your comments below and I will reply to everyone's comments. Arrival right now, for me, is no more than a lottery ticket. To be perfectly honest, it's great. It's popped up today. I'm out of the stock. I used to own it. If I was in on the stock right now and it popped up 28% this morning, and I had, let's say I had, I don't know, just it doesn't, in fact, it doesn't matter how many shares I had. I would have sold half. That way, I could have got a big chunk of change out and then just scalped it. For me right now, this is not a stock to invest in. It's just merely scalp trading. There is some rumors that they've delivered the vans. I've not actually seen that evidence. I've had some people suggest to me the reason for this pop is a merger and they've delivered some vans. Again, none of that is confirmed. We get lots of information sent into the show that is very often created on Reddit. It's a rumor, whatever. There's no evidence to support it. And I can only present news here on my show, which is actually verified and checked. So right now, I think this is very much one of those stocks that trades on a noise, news that's made up, bit of hype, bit of rumor. For me right now, I would regard it as a lottery ticket. At this level, it has to reverse split at some point. Otherwise, it will be delisted. We've got the earnings coming up. So between now and then, you might like to make some money from it. But for me, this is not an investment right now. I would rather buy quality stocks that are expensive than cheap stocks that are rubbish. And right now, there's nothing to suggest that this company could ever turn its finances around. We've covered many of their earnings reports, and if you want me to cover the earnings report live, I will. Leave your comment below and I will happily, at your request, I will run the earnings for it and you can see how it all pans out during the earnings. Do you want to win a $1,000 value prize, at least $100 in cash and a value of the prize over exceeding $1,000? If you click up here, we're running our biggest and best ever competition we've ever done here on the channel. It's free to enter, free for all, and we're giving away tickets how you can win that prize. It is our best ever, and only one ticket is all you need to win. However, we're giving you lots of chances to win and get lots more tickets to increase your chances. So if you'd like to know about that, click above there and you will see it, or look below in the description of this video and you'll see the link to my website, which is where the giveaway is happening, martynlucas.com/giveaway, martynlucas.com/giveaway. It's our biggest and best ever giveaway, and we're giving new tickets away every day. Every day there are opportunities to go back to that site, earn extra tickets. If you really want to win and increase your chances, you can claim some free tickets every day. The more tickets you've got, the more chances. It's like buying lottery tickets. You only need one, but the more you get, the more chances you've got if you want to do that. All right, fantastic. So there's Arrival. There's my thoughts on Arrival. I'm not in it. I'm not owning it. I see it as a gamble. The rumors are unverified. Nothing yet has been given to me that is factual. So there you go. Good luck. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Let's mark that one down. Let's read some of these comments here. Sky News, in the bag for Trump then, says Malk UK. Sensei, crypto.com. Again, you talked to me about this, Ali. I'm happy to do all the things that you talked about. Give me a call afterwards and we'll put this in place. What you need, in fact, I'll discuss with you off air. You talked about showing your sponsorship link. I can do that as well. There are better ways for me to do that for you. Okay. Let's have a look. Maybe next year I can come on that trip to Uganda we spoke about to deliver the cash and help out. Wouldn't that be amazing? That'd be great. Sensei Crypto. All right. Okay, let's go. We'll leave Arrival for now so we can get rid of that. We don't want to overclutter my positions. So, now then, some of you have noticed, I don't know if you have noticed at all, but my portfolio has jumped up a couple of $1,000s since the weekend. What's going on? What's going on? So I'm going to share with you exactly why, and my strategy has been adjusted. Hasn't really changed. It's always the plan. It's just the next part of it. We've got 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. If you look here, look, there's my overall position, just under $51,000. It's jumped up quite considerably. There's my Roth IRA, 13,000, and there is my there's my brokerage account. The reason for this, as you all know, I kept $1,500 in my savings and $1,500 in my checking account. Money earning nothing is losing money, and I don't like losing money. There's no point lending out my money to Bank of America, because that's what I was doing. I was lending it out because they use it and they earn money from it, and they give me nothing. All right, literally nothing at all. They would argue and say, well, they give you somewhere to put your money. Well, I can put my money anywhere else. I can put it under the bed if I want. So there was no point. Now, Robinhood have a cash card coming out soon. They do have a debit card now, but they're having a cash card coming out soon where you earn points. You can pay your bills using their account, earning cash back. Well, I might as well do that from Robinhood then. So essentially what I've done, other than a few $100, literally I think $300 in each account, just enough to as I earn money from YouTube, to come on in, which I get paid every 21st of the month, to come on in from there to pay my day-to-day bills. Only just enough, literally. It's just enough. I always pay my credit. I always pay with credit cards because it's good for my credit score. It's also good. I earn cash back on everything, and I pay no fees, and I pay no interest, right? Always use somebody else's money, never use your own, for security-wise and benefit-wise, cash back. I mean, like 3 or 4% cash back. It's phenomenal, right? So I do that. So all my money now, every penny, is in Robinhood. Everything. As you can see, I've got $1,000 there. Now that's in my buying power. $10 is on a pending order to buy Ethereum if it goes to 1,500, which is my all-time low. The reason for that is I want money for gas fees, okay, to move my NFTs around. Oh, by the way, is Eric B in the chat? I've got something for you about my NFTs. So that's what I'm doing there. And I'm earning, as you can see on the screen, 4.4%, which is 18 times higher than any other bank. So that is a phenomenal amount of money to earn from Robinhood. So I might as well earn 4%. Now, that buying power doesn't mean I can spend it, because if I wanted to, if I bought something on my credit card, more than a couple $100 that's in my account, I would need to send the money back out again, right? So I'm not going to buy stocks with it and sell them, because I've got 99.9% of my money doing that. I want to just keep it there, earning 4.4%, and that's brilliant. And then when I need it, I can transfer it back. Now then, because I had a Roth IRA to fill up, because I wanted to max that out, do that first, because that way, once that's done, all the money can start going into my brokerage account. I stuffed it in my Roth IRA. Now you can see my Roth IRA now is completely full. 2022, we did that by December, didn't we? 2023, full. So I've got $75 for free from Robinhood, because this year it's increased to $7.5 grand. Last year, 70. So I've had $145 free money for doing nothing, okay? And 1%. So I'm maxed out. I can't put any more in. Can't put any more money in. And that's great, right? It's full. Until January the 1st, 2024, I am done with my Roth. However, the money is in there. And if you look at my buying power, I've got $2,800 to spend. Now, I don't earn any money on my Roth IRA, no interest. It's not like the brokerage account. There's no point in the money sitting there. But that doesn't mean to say, well, just buy everything. All right? There's no point doing that if I think there's further to go. So what I want to do is use it, and it's all placed for all my stocks to buy all-time lows, unless I'm scalp trading and day trading, which we are doing again now. We're scalp trading and day trading again a lot more often. So you saw me this morning buy Tesla, and with every intention of selling. Now then, to make sure that I keep the interest payments coming in, thanks for all the loves in the chat, by the way. That helps the channel grow. So by tapping those loves, actually helps the channel grow. So thank you very much for that. If you have over $25,000, I can trade a million times a day. It doesn't matter. However, I don't want to lose, because if you get pattern day trading, you will lose the swept cash, which is the 4.4%. I don't want to do that. I also lose stock lending. I earn money from stock lending as well. I earn 1% from stock lending. So I'm just calming down my day trading. So if I do trade today, that's it. I'm maxed out until one of those falls off. It's a revolving 5-day thing. So I want to stick to that, because that way I can still day trade, but I can still earn from my stock lending. I can still earn from my interest payments as well. So the idea is I'm just buying. I bought 2 shares of Tesla. I might buy another couple in a minute if it keeps falling down. And then I'll sell a couple. I'll sell half of those when it pops up, take some profits, and so on and so forth. Now, if we get stocks go to all-time lows, which is, there you go. See, it's going up again now. Perfect. If we get, which is exactly what I want. If we get a couple stocks go to all-time lows, then I'll buy a lot more. Because if we get things go to all, if we get a 10%, 20% crash, which we could get, and I'm expecting to get over the next few weeks, I want to have that $3,000 ready to go, and it's there. All right. Once it's spent, it's spent. That's it. Boom. Brilliant. But then at least the money's working for me. The money on my Roth, on my brokerage account, is earning me interest. So that's why my portfolio has gone up today considerably, because now I'm earning money everywhere, without doing anything at all. All right. So anyway, there we go. Let's have a little look. Breakfast bar, Martin. Let's go over to breakfast bar. Mike says breakfast bar. Let's have a quick look. What have we got here this morning? Let's open up the breakfast bar. Lots of stuff here this morning. Look at this. Now then, we've got Mike has got a lovely, if you are a member, you can share on the screen. Here's Mike with his, what's that on there? Look, a bit of money. What's all that there? What's the money there? Look, he's got the Martyn Lucas mug, which you can now buy for the cheapest ever price, 25% in the chat. Anything you want, I'll customize it with your name on it for free during this promotion for free. Just let me know in the chat what you want. And what else have we got? Andrew Grady has sent in words. Martin's got his portfolio. It looks nice and green, but there's one stock that always feels serene. It's Johnson & Johnson. It's always been his friend. When the market's down, it helps him to the end. He's glad he owns some J&J stock. It's defensive play, just like a rock. When the Bears come out to play, he knows J&J will save the day. Brilliant. So it's a new feature on my show. If you write me a stock-related song, I will put the music to it, and I will record it and release it, and you will have your very own song with your words in it. Very, very exciting. I like it. Thank you, Andrew Grady, for doing that. Brilliant. I can't wait to get to the piano and record that. Thank you very much indeed. Brilliant. I love that. I think that's great. Okay. Eric B in the chat. Eric B. What was I going to say to Eric B? There was something I was going to say to Eric B. What would it be? Eric, what have we been talking about? Blimey. What would me and Eric B be talking about? Thank you, and Silver Surfer. Brilliant. What was in fact, Silver Surfer, is this your permanent name now? Andrew Grady. Let me change your name. You want that now, don't you? Okay, Andrew Grady. Here we go. You make sure your role's still good. Yeah. Change nickname. The Silver Surfer. The Silver Surfer. Oh, that's all. There you go. The Silver Surfer. There you go. Save. All right, you're now the Silver Surfer on the channel, so everyone knows who you are. Great. There you go. Okay. Eric B, what have we been talking about, Eric? Can't think for the life of me what it was. Bill says China won't attack Taiwan and destroy it and then spend billions to rebuild. Talks will settle things. China just needs to offer more to reunify, says Bill. Bill should know. Yeah, I'm the Silver Surfer now. No more Grady Bunch. All right. 10 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic. Not buying anything on my main account. Virgin Orbit. NFT. Oh, yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. NFT. You're absolutely right. So, Eric B wants to know about my NFTs. So, I'm about to relaunch my NFTs in a much easier way. In a way that doesn't cost any money. Basically, I want everyone to own my NFTs. So as the channel grows, they get value and they can make money and it costs them nothing. So here it is. Here's my Robinhood wallet. Robinhood wallet. And look what I've got here. Can you believe it? Oh yeah. Can't wait. One of my NFTs is in my wallet. I tested it. That cost me it cost me 0.00001 cent to transfer from OpenSea to here. So you can all do that. You can all do that. This is what's coming. There's nothing worse, and I know because I've paid a lot of money to get my NFTs sorted out. Nothing worse than trying to buy NFTs and all you do is pay gas fees and this fee and that fee and blah, blah, blah. I am trying to get it so you guys can buy an NFT. Forget this $200 rubbish or $10,000 rubbish. For a few bucks, buy it for free, next to free, no fees, minimum like 0.00001. And then you can move it, sell it, transfer it. Basically, it's like buying shares of this show. It is technically buying shares of this show. You could share your link in Discord and you could trade them. And everyone can make money. As the show grows, the NFTs get more valuable. And it's a really cool thing, I reckon. But it needs to be, extremely, extremely cheap. And me and Eric, by the way, discovered over the weekend that by far the best way to send crypto is using Robinhood's Robinhood's brokerage account, but doing it as crypto gifting, not send on an address. Go into crypto gifting. It sends crypto from your cash, what you've got, so you don't have to buy it and then send it. It just sends a link. You can do it via text, email, Discord, doesn't matter. The person clicks on it and they can claim your crypto for free. It costs you absolutely nothing. No gas fees, no exchange fees, zero, zilch. Now, I know some of you are going to go, we haven't got Robinhood in the UK. I've spoke to Robinhood. It's coming to the UK. When it does, please wait for my referral so you all get the free stocks with my referral. If you just sign up, you miss out. I will make sure that everyone gets free stocks and then we can all gift each other crypto for free with no fees, no charges. And in fact, we talked about this, that it's a great way to tip each other or tip the channel or whatever you wanted to do. And Ali and Eric was giving me tips using using crypto gifting, and it was free. Brilliant. Anyway, that was Morgan Silver Dollar on laptop. A Morgan Silver Dollar, I have many more. Oh, very nice indeed. He has many more. Hey, Mike. Hey, Zach. Welcome, Ali Isles. Right, we've got 5 minutes to go. Let's get back to the live positions a minute. And if you've just tuned in, please do subscribe and ring the bell. Smash the like button. We've got a lot going on today. If you smash the like button, it really helps the channel. We've got 27 likes. Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's see if we can get to 30 likes. We've got 41 in the channel right now. Smash the like. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Let's put him on the screen. We've got 40 seconds to go. We've got 5 minutes before the bell goes. And we're trying to scalp trade Tesla right now. There we go. We've got 41 watching. There you go. 42. Let's get to 30 likes in 30 seconds. I love all the loves and the likes in the chat. That really helps the channel. Smash away the likes. I'm sure that will promote the channel. That's what it's there for. If you tap the likes and the loves in the chat, it helps the channel grow. We're on target for 1 million views within 70 days, and by the end of the year, 10,000 subscribers when we can start our fundraisers again. All right. Smash the like. 27. Oh, 28, 29, 30, 31. Brilliant. Thank you very much indeed. There we go. Right, 4 minutes to go. Very well done indeed. We're at 31 now. Thank you ever so much. Now, if you've just tuned in, we've got our biggest ever cash giveaway and prize giveaway. It's worth over $1,000. And the cash prize is currently at $100 as well. And the cash prize could be going up. Right now, it's $100 in cash and 15 hours of training one-on-one with our experienced and successful trader, Ed Nevius, one-on-one. It's worth in excess of $1,000. I have to give it a value, and I've undersold it. It's worth way more than $1,000. The cash prize alone is $100, and it's free to enter and free for all. I'm going to give you now the link to the giveaway. If you want more information, ask me. We're giving only one ticket is all you need to win. There is the giveaway. And every day we're giving extra chances, extra challenges, extra quizzes and stuff so you can get more tickets. You only need one lottery ticket to win the lottery, but we're giving you chances to get more tickets. Here is the competition. There are 270 entries now. You can see that's how many entries there are, 270. Now, that might only be half a dozen people. I can tell you now, it's about 10 people that have entered. That's all. But they've done several things each and so on and so forth. These are the things you can do. You can earn a point just by logging into Twitter. You can earn 5 tickets by retweeting a post. If you come back every day, there's a daily bonus just by coming back to the channel once a day and clicking it. You earn an extra point every day just by revisiting the website. So all you need is one ticket to win. But if you come back regularly, I might post new ones. And if there's something down here that doesn't have a tick on it, because when you enter, you get a tick, then you know it's a new challenge, a new opportunity for you to get more tickets. So there you go. Everyone should do that. It's the best ever giveaway we've ever done. And thank you, Ed Nevius, for that. All right. Okay. There is the link in the chat if you want it. And there are extra opportunities as well in our newsletter. If you want our newsletter, let me know. On this Sunday's newsletter, next Sunday coming, there's another opportunity in there. All right, so you want to get the newsletter. Here we go. 1 minute to go. Hello from Cuba. Market Profit. Hey. Welcome, Market Profit. Okay, now then, we've got all-time lows set everywhere. Will we get some today? Virgin Galactic, $3. I said it would go to $3. Everyone said you're talking rubbish. Well, there you go. It's gone to $3. No surprise there. Okay, Virgin Orbit, 18 cents. Down today. Just coming up to 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. See how the markets are going to go react this morning. Virgin Orbit, Rivian. Let's have a look at it. We've got buy orders placed everywhere. Tesla now 179, 180. There we go. Now then, if it goes up to 190, I will sell one. If it goes down to 170, I'll buy two. Either way, I win. Either way, without any options trading, without any stress or drama whatsoever. Okay, now I don't need to consider myself with any of these positions at all. I'm just watching Tesla. We can look at VORB as well. Now remember, VORB is probably going to go to a new company. I've actually got a video coming out later about an internal email that I've got hold of that you might find interesting. So if you want to know all about Virgin Orbit, I've got an internal email that I've got access to that I can read out and share with you. So that's coming out later on today. Okay, let me see if anybody has just gone back and taken advantage of another ticket. Let's have a look. It was at 270 tickets just a moment ago. Let me refresh it. Let's see if anybody took advantage of any of the free tickets that I've given this morning. 270, 284. There you go. There were some tickets available this morning, and some of you have just jumped in and grabbed them. There you go. There you go. Congratulations to you. Remember, you only need one ticket to win this, but we're giving you the opportunity to get more if you want to increase your chances of winning. All right. Virgin Orbit going back down, not touching it now. Rivian, Tesla. Lovely. Go down. Oh, come on. That's what I want. Go to my Roth IRA. This is brilliant. Go to my Roth. Now you might say, well, why are you happy? You bought it this morning for 181. Yeah, I did. No issue at all with that. It's expensive, but it's a blue chip stock. I still don't trust Elon Musk. Nothing has changed. My principles haven't changed. My ideals haven't changed. But I'm scalp trading it and lowering my averages and taking profit from it as we do it. Okay? So I've got a buy order at 150. I'd be absolutely delighted if it goes down that low. And if it does, I won't just buy one. I'll probably buy 5. Something like that. Okay. Now then, we are going down nearly 1% this morning. I'm up 4% on VU. Got 4% to go before it kicks into my all-time low, and then I can buy some more. Not just buying it here because I do expect it to go lower. I want to win it. Oh, ETORO, that's one of the comments, right? Brilliant. Make sure that you put that in the right place and done the comment on the video. ETORO, Craig says, an amazing prize on offer. It's the best ever prize we've ever done. And we're very excited about it. And Ed Nevius has been an absolute legend to provide it. Okay. I wonder if it's moved up again. I'm excited. It was 284. So have a quick refresh. That's how many tickets there are now. 286. There we go. There you go. It's a great competition. I think the technology, and thanks to Ali Tizro for sponsoring that as well. Me and Ali Sensei have got a lot to talk about, actually. Sensei wants to get more involved in the channel, and there's lots to talk about. So the overall portfolio is going down. My Roth IRA is going down. Let's have a look at where we are. This is great. This is not a bad thing. 50,737. There we go. Roth IRAs going down. The main brokerage accounts going down. I like it going down. This is what I want, because there'll be plenty of time in the future when the war ends and the Fed pivot for the markets to go up. You want it to go down. You want to buy more and more stocks. Absolutely right. That $1,000 there is staying there on the screen. That $1,000 there is staying there. And anyway, what does it mean? It says I have one entry regarding the giveaway. That means you've got one ticket into the draw. You've got one ticket. So the more things that you do private, and every day we have new tickets available. The more tickets you get, the more chances you've got to win. If you win, you will win a $100 cash prize. Potentially, it's going to go up in value as well. Potentially, it's a possibility. Right now, it's $100 and $1,000 worth of tuition for free, courtesy of Ed Nevius. It's our biggest ever giveaway that we've ever done. And you can win with one ticket, or every time you enter and do more challenges, then you can get more chances to win. So every day I release more things onto the giveaway page. Thank you for all the likes and all the 100% in the chat. That really helps the channel, by the way. There you go. Instagram link on competition shows a 404 error code when trying to enter. It does work. It does work. I don't know why it's not working for you. You may not have an Instagram. I don't know, or you may not have logged in to Instagram. But Tony Betts, thank you for checking with me. Can everybody else confirm the Instagram link is working? I've tested every link, so every link should be working. There's no reason why it's not. In fact, I can do it on the screen. I can test it myself. So let me do that now. Which one was it? Which one? Enter using Instagram. Enter using Instagram. Look, there you go. Because I've already signed in. See, I've got a ticket there. Look, visit Martyn Lucas on Instagram. Visit Martyn Lucas on Instagram. There you go. It goes to my. There you go. There's my Instagram, and I can follow it over there. I can't follow myself. There you go. There is Instagram, and view this photo on Instagram. There it is, and I have to view it. Give it a like and a view. There you go. So you can see it's all working. Like and a view. And if I come back, I've added a like. Make sure I click continue. Right, and you'll see now that Instagram is all working. I've got 3 tickets. Now what I will do is I will erase my tickets because I don't want to... I obviously don't want to be in the competition, so I will erase my tickets later on. But that just shows you it does work. Okay? There you go. Now, if I refresh the screen, that would have gone up because I've just got some tickets. But I'm going to remove... There you go, 3 tickets, you see? I earned 3 points. I'm going to remove myself from that. I don't want to be in the draw. I can't win anyway. All right? I'd like to win. I think it's a very good prize. It's our best ever prize. I mean... $100 in cash and $1,000 of service. Bloody hell. I mean, it's... anyway, brilliant. Okay, I deleted Instagram. I get too many wanton women hitting me up for money, marriage, and all sorts of stuff. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Well, Bill, you don't have to follow anyone on... you just have to follow me. You can have an account which is private, so you can enter the competition and give yourself the chance to win without anyone following you or anything. You don't have to have idiots follow you on Instagram just to be, to be able to be in the competition. You can still be in. Just make the account private so no one can find you, and just follow me. That's all you got to do. All right. Anyway, remember, I always tag my members in posts and promote you as well. Arrival 46%. George Otterty, yeah, we looked at it this morning. A video's coming out soon. Bought two shares of Tesla. Sid, Tesla still falling? Very nice indeed. It'll bounce in a minute. So, Thank you very much, Leah. My tea's cold now. Thank you. Thank you. Right, here we go. I like Tesla here. Buy Tesla. Limit order. Shares. Another 2. Uh, 177.50. 2. Review the order. There we go. 177.05. Just caught it at the dip, though. There you go. I'm not saying it's over, but I've now got 8 shares of Tesla. Very nice indeed. I'm still up 5%. Now I will sell. I will sell some to trim off and catch it lower. Don't want to just keep adding lower on the way down. I want to take some profit from it when it pops up to 190, and that way I end up getting profits and lowering my average at the same time. So there we go. Now I've got buy orders at 1. Now you might say, why are you not sticking to your buy order at 150? Why are you not sticking to that? It might go to 100. It very well might. Tesla is still expensive, but you will pay a premium for the stock anyway, because I intend to sell some of those shares. I'm not regarding this as the bottom, but I do see opportunity to take money on the way down, and I don't mind owning it if I do. That's why I didn't buy 10 or 20. I just bought a couple. So I bought 4 today with every intention of selling it above 190 or 200. So I'll get my money out of it one way or another. I will. This is my Roth, so I intend on keeping this. So in my Roth IRA now, I have $2,500. $1,200 is earmarked for my all-time lows, and I'm going to keep that there. I'm going to keep that there because that's for all-time lows with Coca-Cola, J&J, VU, S&P 500, and so on and so forth. So I'm not just going to spend I'm not going to free up all that money. I've only got 1,000 left. You can see I've got 1,200 left to buy. The other 1,000 is earmarked, and I want it to stay there because we could get a crash at any point. But there we go. I've now got a nice little position of Tesla with an average of 168. Nice. I'm up 4.86. Nice. And I've got every belief that at some point today I'll be able to sell a couple of those for 190, make $40 profit. The idea is to make $200 a day on day trading, and even if it doesn't happen today, happen tomorrow, that's fine. And brilliant. Grabbed a few shares of Amazon as well. Let's have a look. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon hasn't hit a position for me yet. I'm up on it, but I buy Amazon at 88. I'm up on my brokerage account, and on my Roth IRA, I'm up 8%. Very, very expensive. Very, very expensive. Worth it? Yes, long term, but very expensive. Again, you could buy it now and bounce it up, but I'm just holding for much better prices. McDonald's I want to get. McDonald's just does not go low enough. Let me read all the comments here. Bought 2 shares of Tesla. Congratulations. I think it's a good idea. Hi Ali. Hi Leah. Here's the coffee. If you want the all-time lowest ever price in the chat, you can. Thanks for all the loves appearing in the chat. I can see many of you are doing that. Tapping the screen, that really helps the channel as well. It's a new feature just released on YouTube, and it will promote the channel. I'm sure it will. Space going up. Let's have a look. Space doing very well today. There you go, up 3%. My brokerage account is still down 20%. I'm not buying any more with brokerage money. But my Roth IRA money, I'm up 0.5%. The idea was trim off the top, take some money I don't think I said this week we'll probably get a flight. I don't know, but the fact that when I ask my contacts at to Virgin, they don't say anything, tells me they probably will fly, because they they don't reply, and I know what that normally means, but that's just me. There we go. Now then, I would like to take some profit from Virgin Galactic if it goes up 10%. Nothing dramatic, but I will take some profits. Virgin Orbit, you see why I didn't buy it this morning? When it went from 19 to 24, I did that 3 times, made 40% each time. 40%, 20%, different amounts. But now I don't see that opportunity. Now I just see it going down and down and down. I don't see that anymore. It may happen, I don't know. I don't know, but I don't see the opportunity like it was before. Rivian I'll buy at 9. Tesla's now bouncing up. Now then, how do you send loves on YouTube? You have to be in your mobile device. It's a mobile. I believe it is a iPhone thing. It's not showing for me now. I think when you come in and out, it goes. Chat filter, all messages. It's when you first come in. I think it's a beta testing on iPhone. I don't know if it's on other devices, but anyway, looking great. Looking great. Okay, my portfolio is looking nice now. I'm really excited about that. The Tesla shares are doing well for me. So let's have a look at my overall position. Oh, yeah, nearly 51,000 now. So for those of you who joined in late today, the reason why I'm up just under 51,000 is I brought all my money. I'm on a Chinese spy phone. I brought all the money in from my bank. I don't have any money now other than a couple $100 in my bank now, because I'm using Robinhood as a bank to pay my bills soon as a cash card come in. But as you can see, I'm holding the cash, earning 4.4%. My bank pays me 0. I mean, like nothing. I loan the bank money, and I think, well, hang on a minute. No, that's not how it's going to be from now on. From now on, I'm running a bank. So I earn money on my money, and I also loan out my stocks, which earns me money as well. So there you go. I'm the bank now. The bank's not the bank anymore. I'm the bank. ARIA 5090, they filed for bankruptcy. Are you talking about Virgin Orbit? Virgin Orbit have not filed for bankruptcy. Virgin Orbit have filed for bankruptcy protection, Chapter 11. It's very, very different. So let's be clear of that. All right, so there you go. Looking good. I'm on the app and there isn't anything for me, Ali. I'm sorry about that, mate. Sorry about that. Reason why. Good to see Martin. Looks like the prediction of the Lulo was a good call. Glad that I increased my position at 3. Well done. Congratulations to you. On my app, Ali. On phone app. There you go. When is Twitch giveaway? Oh, yes. Now then, the Twitch giveaway. We couldn't do it on Friday. Could we? We couldn't do it on Friday because there was the markets were closed. So we need to do the Twitch giveaway. Thank you, Ali, for reminding me. I completely forgot, if I'm honest. I completely forgot. So every first Friday of the month, we do a giveaway. I give away a $10 cash prize for free. It costs you absolutely nothing to enter. And we'll do it in the closing bell then. So here it is. If you would like to be in our free prize draw, there are only 4 people in it. I will give away a $10 cash prize live on the show. And we spin the wheel. Now, to be in the cash prize, all you've got to do is be a subscriber on Twitch. This is Twitch right now. It's completely free if you use Amazon Prime Gaming. Now, I know there's about 20 of you who could be in this because you've let your subscriptions lapse because Amazon don't want to pay it. There is the link in the chat. All you've got to do is go to Twitch. There's my link. Connect your Twitch to Amazon because Amazon own Twitch and subscribe. And all you're doing is using your Amazon Prime. You turn Amazon Prime Gaming on. It'll tell you how to do it. It's very straightforward, and all of you've already done it because I had about 20 subscribers before. Just simply resubscribe. And the reason why you have to do it every month is because Amazon don't want to pay it for you, so they only do it for a month and then let it lapse. If you go in and renew it, right, the subscribers will go up, and those people that are in the subscription, in our subscribers, will be in the draw, and we'll do it in the closing bell this afternoon. All right, so it's a great help for me because everyone who does it, I get like $2.50, and then I give it back to you. So you're helping the channel, you're helping me, and it's a bit of fun. We can all win. Well, you can all win. I can't win it. You can win $10. So I'll do it in the closing bell this afternoon. Thank you very much for reminding me, Sensei. Appreciate that very much indeed. So there you go. I'll come back to that. If that increases, I will let you know. Okay. Can I gift the prize if I win Ed's course? Of course you can. Of course you can. You might not want $100. You might be plenty rich enough and you want to help somebody else. You might know all about trading and investing and you want to gift it to someone else. Absolutely. That's what we do on our channel a lot because a lot of people do, have the desire to help others. So yeah, absolutely you can. Of course you can. Good morning, everyone. Stephen Lewandowski, how are you? Mozart is streaming live at the same time as you. Have a word. I'm not worried. I'm not worried. Everyone's here. He's worried. He's thinking, I told Moose, you want to stream as I finish and I'll send everybody to you. But he thought, no, I'm going to take him on. All right, well, good luck with that. All right, there we go. We got a nice bounce today with Virgin Galactic. So there you go. You can see I'm up nicely. I intend to take some profits from Virgin Galactic in a few moments, so get ready for that. If it keeps on going, I will actually do a stop trail loss. Not here. I would like to make more money than this. I didn't invest to get 5%. 10% I will. 10% I will. Because at the end of the day, I'm just here to make money, right? I've got my long-term position on my brokerage account. All I'm doing here is buying low to try to make some money from it. So you got your scalp position, you got your long-term position, so different positions, right? Okay. Tesla, it popped a little bit. Beautiful. Excellent. Says reasons why. Yeah, that's the idea. Take some profit. And if you are a chart reader, remember everybody else is a chart reader and you want to be inside those perimeters. What I mean by that is everyone's trying to buy at the support level. Everyone's trying to sell at the resistance level. So I do it inside. It means I make less money than everybody else, but I make money. I don't try to, try to beat everyone else. I'm not interested in that. Vorb, no good, no more. Well, it's a gamble. It's a gamble right now at this point. I don't see any point in owning it because once it goes through, what's going to happen is Virgin Orbit is going to be closed down. It's going to come back under a different ticker, more than likely. So the shareholders will get nothing. They'll just be given nothing. So it's a scalp opportunity if you think it's going to go up. I've already scalped it several times. I don't see it as a strong enough reason to scalp this now. This is like Bed Bath and Beyond. You made money, it kept going down. As you can see, there's opportunity, but we are trending down. The trend is your friend, right? I mean, it is going down. It can go to 1 cent. I mean, let's just not elude ourselves. And at the end of the day, you might go, well, it might make money. It might make money. You're absolutely right. Well, I'd rather buy Tesla because I can make money on Tesla, and if it goes down, I end up buying more and owning it. Is it the best opportunity? I'm not saying there is no opportunity, but is it the best opportunity? All right. I'm down 88% on VORB. I was. Reason why I was exactly the same. I scalp traded it many times and I've got most of my money back. Not all of it. I'm still down by several $1,000, but I've got some money out of it. But now I'm accepting it to move on and make money somewhere else. I just don't think it's worth, playing around with it. I will continue loading space as it's lower. 3, which I think is cheap. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. It's cheaper, but it's not cheap. Cheap is when you're buying a company that makes loads of money for a fraction of what it makes. That's cheap. Virgin Galactic doesn't make any money yet. It still loses money. So how's it ever cheap? Is it cheap? If a can of Coke is $1 and you can buy, and that's the standard price for it, and today you can buy it for 10 cents, is that cheap? Yes, because it serves the same value as it did at $1. So it's cheap at 10. Is it cheap at $2? Well, only if you're dying of thirst in the desert is it cheap at $2. All right? You got to look at it like that. Don't just go, well, it's $3, it's cheap. It used to be 30. Where it was in the past is irrelevant. Remember, the price of a stock is not the value of the company. It's just the price that everyone is prepared to pay on the day. No more, no less. Means absolutely sod all when it comes to the value of the company. If you want to know that answer, you need to go and look at the balance sheet and you need to join us for the earnings reports, and we're covering all of them. IonQ. I'm up 30% with IonQ. Yeah, very, very nice indeed. I'm up 90% now on IonQ, but I only have one. I sold out to clear margin, remember? I have no margin. Don't use it anymore. So I'm up 90%. I'd like to buy it on the pullback. It's going to go into EVs, and as EVs explode, so will IonQ. Quantum computing. It's a big investment for Amazon. As Amazon go up, IonQ's going up. So it's a good thing to own. It's a great thing. The S&P didn't get cheap enough today. Virgin Galactic now up 7%. I'm up 4. That's a nice bounce. So let's take some money from Virgin Galactic. Remember, my long-term position, let me get my focus right. My long-term position I'm still holding. That doesn't mean to say I've got to hold Virgin Galactic forever. Doesn't mean that at all. Okay? So, I've got 200. I want to sell 199. Sell space. Trading stop order. Trading stop order. Percentage. Amount. Trail. 335. 5 cents. 0.5 cents. 199. Right, space. I'm going to sell space. I'm going to take some profits from it. I've done nothing but lose money on space. Don't think it's just going to keep running forever and ever and ever. I've still got my long position, right? 199 shares. I've got 200. Good for the day. Initial stop price 330, and it'll run and run and run. I've got 4% profit. It's a small amount of profit, but it's profit nevertheless. All right, it's profit nevertheless. So review the order. Sell. With a 5% trail and 199 shares, and review the order, and here we go, 330. All right, we're going to sell space now. Okay, so this is how I'm making money from space. Let me make a video on this. Got to make some money. 128. 1 hour 28. SPCE. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Galactic, as predicted, as said, for many months it would go to $3. In this video, I am trading live and scalp trading my second position of Roth IRA, on my Roth IRA. I've got my main position on my brokerage account. I've got my scalp trade position on my Roth IRA, and I'm in the process of doing a stop trail loss and selling my position on Virgin Galactic. I've lost tens of thousands of dollars on Virgin, and I'm taking profits from it at the same time as lowering my averages. How am I doing it? Watch me do it live right now. Smash the like button. Now, do you want to be in our biggest and best ever cash giveaway? We're giving away $100 cash live on the show and $1,000 of value in one-on-one 15 hours of live one-on-one tuition from an experienced, very successful investor and trader in our family. So if you'd like that, keep watching. I'll tell you, as I'm doing this, I've set a stop trail loss. I've bought 200 shares at $3, or just above $3 actually, and I've set a stop trail loss and 5 cents. So the moment it drops to 5 cents, which right now is about 3.32, it'll sell, and it will sell 199, leaving me 1 as a market share, just so I can demonstrate it. So there we go. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. Now, I am bullish in Virgin Galactic, but I still want to make some money from it. It's the same thing. Richard Branson is bullish. However, you know, he wants to protect his assets, and I want to protect my money. So I'm setting a stop trail loss. It is running. That's absolutely great. I'm up now. I'm making money on it. I'm up 5% overall on my position, and I'm very happy with that. And we're watching it go. So we're watching it go, and as we go now, just smash the like button. Leave me your thoughts below. I will reply to all of my members' comments, and I will try to then reply to the others that aren't members if I get the chance, okay? But I will reply to all of my members. Now, I did say to you that we are giving away our best ever giveaway. I'm doing this live during a live show. So if you'd like to be in and have a chance to win our $100 cash prize and $1,000 minimum value, it's worth excess of that, but I always like to undersell and over deliver. Click up above my head there, and also look below the description of this video and look for the link martynlucas.com/giveaway. You only need 1 ticket to win the prize. We'll draw the prize in a couple of weeks live on our show. All the information is there for you. And but every day we give you more and more chances to win. So it's free to enter, free for all, and there are some simple challenges like the video, or retweet a post on Twitter, and go there, and all you need is 1 chance to win, but we give you more opportunities to get as many tickets as you want. It's like buying a lottery ticket. You can buy 1 and win, or you can buy 100. It's entirely up to you. It is free to enter, free for all, and live on the show, we're going to give away a $100 cash prize, which actually might be going up. Also, we're going to give you 15 hours one-on-one training with an experienced, successful trader who is paid to learn his skills, and he's going to pass it on to you. So all that's available. Right, as we watch this right now, Virgin Galactic, I have contacted my sources at Virgin Galactic, and when I asked them the question, is there going to be a flight this week, and they don't reply, that genuinely means there is, because it's a little bit of experience. They can't tell me, but when they don't reply to me, it tends to hint there is. So that's why the stock is going up. Doesn't mean to say I'm not taking profits from it. Making money all the time. I'm not trying to time the market, beat the market. I've got my long-term positions and I've got my scalp positions. And right now, I'm up 4.81, and it's still running. It will sell at 3.33. 5 cents lower than this, it'll sell at 199. I've only got 200 shares in this position. Okay, my bigger position is my brokerage account. Okay, so we're going to keep on this screen just for a few moments, and we'll watch it. We're now up 7.14. I'm actually up 4.59. I didn't buy the dip this morning because I was buying Tesla instead. But now it's going up. I'm buying it, and I like it. So we'll keep watching it just for a few moments. If it doesn't close in the next couple of seconds, I will actually go away from this. And in fact, what I'll do as we're watching it, I will share with you the competition page so you can see exactly what it looks like. So as we're doing this now, here's a quick look at our competition page. here it is, martynlucas.com/giveaway. Links are below and above my head. If you look up above my head, there you go. 289 tickets have now gone. It's completely free. You click on these options, all these things here, and every day we release new options and new ways. If I refresh the screen, you might see it has gone up from 289, 326. There we go. Great prize, and you have a great chance to win, because at the end of the day, all you got to do is take part. Every day we have new opportunities, and you'd increase your chances to win. Right, 335. Let me have a look now. Let me go back to the trading position, and is it going to sell? It's now going through at 330. Let me refresh the screen though. Let me go over to this screen while I refresh the screen. I'm sure it's moved up now. Let me have a quick look. Come back again, and here we come back. You have to refresh the screen if you're not doing that. The stop sell will go at 334. 1 cent to go. 1 cent to go, and it will sell. 1 cent to go. You'll see it live on the screen. It should sell at 334, and I would have made myself at 27 bucks. And do that over and over again a day. The idea is to make 200 bucks a day. That's a living. I can live on that very comfortably, actually. I live on like $5 a day on YouTube. So 200 bucks on day trading is a bonus, and all of that goes into my channel and the production. So you saw it there, 334. So for it to go to, if it goes to 339, it'll start moving up again. Now I could go away from this if I wanted to, but I am going to keep it live. I don't think it's going to hold much longer. There we go. We're starting to get some resistance now. Now my strategy for this is I look at the chart. I do, but I'm not a chart reader. I understand charts. There we go. It will sell now. Oh, it didn't. It sat on 334. 1 more cent and it will go. It's hitting resistance. Now, what I do is I look at what everybody else is looking at, the charts, and go, right, I'll just go underneath the resistance line, and I go slightly above the support line, because everybody else is doing that. They're just looking at charts and setting these things. And, of course, then you get everyone selling, and sometimes an order what doesn't go through because of that. That's people trying to get every cent out of it. I couldn't care less. I'm not trying to time the market, beat the market. I just want to make consistent profits over and over again. And as the Wolf of Wall Street said, don't judge me on my losses, judge me on my winners. Don't judge me. No, judge me on my losses, as there are so few. There used to be a lot, but not this year. When I first started trading, I was making mistake after mistake, and I learned and I wrote it all down and I studied from it, and now I don't make those mistakes. I just want to make consistent profits over and over again, and I don't mind if I make $1 or less. It makes no difference to me whatsoever. If I'm making profit, I'm making profit. If I'm lowering averages, I'm lowering averages. If I'm reinvesting, then all that is good. So we are reading the comments on the screen as we're making this video. Stephen, up 180 bucks. Congratulations, Silver Surfer. AG up 2,500. Stephen Lewandowski. What about Rocket Labs? I remember you looking at it, but I don't think you said anything about it. I haven't yet got a feel for it. And until I have a feel for it, I've only got my market share. I think I own 1 share of it. Maximilian, what is cooking at Vorb to make you make that decision? Let's share that information with us. We're doing this through a live video. So I'm going to get off now. Oh, hang on. Is it going to go? 1 more cent. And let's see what happens. I'd like to have it all closed during this video if I can. If not, I will end the video and I will update you later, or you can join me for a live show later on. If you click above my head, that will take you to our live shows. And if you look below the description of this video, you will actually see the links, all the links. We're giving extra tickets away in our newsletter as well, which is martynlucas.com/links. You can find it on the same website, and you can sign up for our newsletter, and we give extra chances for you to win in the newsletter. All right, 335. It will sell at 334. Remember, it needs to just drop below 334, and then it will sell. And I will have a 4% profit, which is absolutely great. End of the day, 4%, that's what you would get in 10 years if you left your money in the bank. So as long as I'm making more money than I can make in the bank, and I'm making more money than I can get on the S&P, which is my security blanket, then I will sell a stock. I like to get to 15% a year on the S&P, not in the last year, of course, because we're in a bear market, but overall, on average, 15%. If I can make 4% in one day, well, obviously, that's way more than 15% in a year. So take the profit. Don't ever walk away from a profit. If you've got profit, take it. You know, I don't care if tomorrow Virgin Galactic goes to $1 million. I don't care. There's no FOMO. I've made profit. I'm making money. I don't need to be richer than anybody else or achieve any more than anybody else. I am good enough. I am happy with me, and I'm happy with what I have. I have no loans, no car loans, and I'm just waffling right now while I want this to execute. But we are getting some resistance now, so I expect there to be a sell here any moment now. And I think you will see it sell in a few moments' time. And that'll be a profit for me, and I'll bank it, and then I will wait for it to go lower. Now, if it doesn't go lower, it doesn't matter to me, because I've got my long-term position anyway. I have two separate positions, long-term position and my scout position. It looks like Sid is copying me trade for trade here. I've noticed that. There we go, 334. It's about to sell. Just sold space and made a little profit. Congratulations to you. You've made some money. Oh, here we go. It's bound. There, it's sold. Sold. There you go. Live on the show. You saw it. Hit the resistance twice, which would indicate selling pressure. And there she goes. So now let's have a look. I've now just sold it. If I scroll down here, you will see. There we go. There's my stop sale. If I need to refresh the screen. So if we take you over to the phone, you will see it did sell. Virgin Galactic, if I go into my Roth IRA position, that's where we're talking about. And you will see I've now got back to one share. And you can see there I took some profit. So if we look at it there, there you go. I took some profit there. $662 back in my account. Thank you very much indeed. And if it goes down, I'll buy more. If it goes up, it doesn't matter. I've got money in my main position anyway. I'm not bothered. But now you can see if I go to my Roth IRA, I've got $1,900 again, which was great because I just bought some Tesla this morning. So I've now got $3,000 available in total. There you go. That's how to make money with Virgin Galactic. Always take profits. Remember, nobody ever went bust making money and taking profits. Too many people live in the clouds with hopery. And at the end of the day, why are we here? Why do we invest? Do we join a fan club, or are we here to make money? I'm here to do one thing and one thing alone. Get $100,000 this year. I'm halfway there. $200,000 by the end of next year. And then retire back in England in my lovely house with my wife, have no stress, no fear whatsoever, and walk on the beach and have a lovely time. That's it. Will I be the richest man around? No. But will I have enough? Yes. I've already got enough. I'm already happy with me. And now all I need is a few bucks to buy my Sunday roast and buy a pint on a Friday night. There you go. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, there we go. Done. Now then, so what I'll do now is I'm not going to set an order at Virgin Galactic because I don't really know where it's going to go. Anywhere around 3 will do for me, and I'll buy back the same number. In fact, I'll buy back 300 shares next time so I can encompass the profits to buy back some more and to do it on a slightly bigger scale. What do I think about EPSN? Do you mean ESPN? Or is that a stock? EPSN? I don't know. Flutter Edits. I don't know anything about that one. Would you like me to review it? The S&P is going up. Let's have a look. Yeah, you ordered a sell, sold. Clear that down. Right. Now then, So now we are doing very well. It's not about the $20 in profit you made. It's the fact that you can buy it at 250 to 150 as the company is going bankrupt, says Sensei. Well, you can have any view you like, but at the end of the day, profit is profit. For me, $20 is huge. Every penny is profit to me. So there we go. We're approaching 51,000 again. My Roth IRA is coming up. My brokerage account is coming up, and all looking very nice indeed. Let's go over to, we got day trader of the day coming up. Let's see if anyone else entered our competition. We were at 326. We're now at 352. Fantastic. Many of you are taking advantage of the extra tickets I threw in today. Brilliant. There you go. Look, we're at 352 now. Remember, you only need one ticket to win, but the more you do, the more chances you've got. Brilliant. Excellent stuff. Now then, where else can we make some money? The S&P is coming up. Didn't go low enough. Virgin Galactic has bounced back up again. I could have got slightly more from it. Doesn't matter. I made a profit. Neither here or there. If we go over to my brokerage account, that was down considerably. I'm now down just 16%. So it's improving, right? It's improving. By this bounce, it's improving. And if it carries on running, then my brokerage account will start to make some money. Either way around, it doesn't matter. But I'll go back to the Roth. And if we can get it at 3, we'll pick up some more. And we'll do it again. Virgin Orbit, hardly moved this morning. It's gone down and nothing there. I wouldn't buy it. That's not for me. Rivian. Tesla. Now then, it's going sideways. This is showing some resistance now, or some support, should I say. Some support. It's hit that. It's hit 177 and 177 and 177. It's hit 177 3 times. So it's about to move. It's about to break up or down, and I know that sounds kind of obvious, but it's not going to go sideways for much longer. It's going to break in one direction or the other. Now, if it goes up, that's brilliant. I'll sell one at 190, bring some money back in, take some profit. Happy days. If, however, it does go lower, which is highly possible, I've got my order place at 150 to pick up, or even 160, and that's good. I can lower my average because my average now is 168, so I'm getting near my average now because I've been buying it up because I started buying it at 110, so that's all good. Lucid, I wouldn't buy it until it goes to 6. Apple, I'm fully invested. I don't need any more. I've already trimmed it. Amazon, I'm only buying it at 88. McDonald's, it's got to go down 10%. Now, we are covering all of the earnings. If you go to the homepage of the YouTube channel, all these shows are in order for you. They're all in order. Okay. And if you look at the upcoming live streams, you'll see Walmart, IonQ, Virgin Galactic, Rivian, Lucid, SoFi, Chevron, Amazon, Google, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Next Era Energy, Tesla, J&J. I'm covering all the earnings. And of course, Tilray Brands is coming up first. That's tonight, in the after hours tonight. I'm surprised no one's talking about it right now. But Tilray is in the after hours tonight. It hasn't done much today. It's up a little bit. No real big moves there. Space going up even more. I don't care how much it goes up by. I don't give a monkeys. I made a profit on it, and I'm very happy. Remember, I've got my main brokerage account, which is taking advantage of this growth. I've just taken some profits on it, and no one knows whether the stock's going up, down, sideways, or any other way you like. I don't care how high it goes. It doesn't matter. I've got my position anyway. I've taken some profits because more than likely, after a position like this, it will drop. Now, is $10 coming? Yeah. But we don't go straight up without nothing in between. Even when we had the test flights and everything did great, still went down in between. So we don't know when it's going to go up, when it's going to go down. Anyway, you can rest my basement. You can rent my basement for $1,000 a month. Bill just said you can rent his basement. Anybody want to rent a basement in Canada? That's a random comment. There you go. Bill says you can rent his accommodation for $1,000 a month. Studio flat, by the way. The bull run hasn't come, and I would spend all my the bull run hasn't come, and I would spend all my savings on it. Is coming to an end of my 10-month upfront payment for my flat. Question is now. Oh, I see why Bill mentioned it. Question is now, do I move somewhere cheaper or renew with a 25% increase in rent? I wouldn't do that. I would live somewhere cheaper, but it depends on your job, doesn't it? I wouldn't rent anyway. I'm not a renter. I don't like renting. I just buy somewhere and then I've got no expenses. That's what I do. What's this here? April 10th. Transfer is incoming. What's this? Someone sending me some Doge. Let's have a look. No. I think it's an update from before. Okay. I was just checking. I thought someone was sending me some Doge then. Anyway. Hey, Martin, could you review SWN? It's an energy stock. Yes, of course. Of course I can. Flutter Edits is a member of the channel, and he's asked me to review SWN. So let me open the double screen for you. SWN. Southwestern Energy. Sorry about the flares. That I need Central London. Canada won't help. Yeah. Well, you're always going to pay a premium, of course, aren't you? If you're in Central London, unfortunately, that's the way it goes. Obviously, you know that. I couldn't afford to live in London. My gosh, way too expensive for me. Right, we've got to end our show in just a few minutes' time because I've got some videos to do, and I've also got to go to the physiotherapist today. I've got to leave here in just over an hour, so I've got to do some videos before then. Do we get anybody subscribed now to our Twitch for our Twitch competition today? Let me have a look. No one did it. I'm surprised. I don't know why. I'm giving away a cash prize. It really helps the channel, helps promote the channel, helps me. I earn a tip, cost you nothing at all, and you can win a cash prize as well. We only have 4 people. Here is the Twitch feed right now. Use Amazon Prime Gaming. We've had about 20 of you do it, so I know you can all do it. You just need to renew it. Use that link, resubscribe for free using Amazon Prime Gaming, and then we'll give away our cash prize today. There you go. And we'll do it. How's the shoulder and vertigo? Well, that's why I'm going to the physiotherapist. The vertigo's better, and the shoulder, the nerves, it's what we're doing neck stretching exercises for, and it's helping. So, yes, I am... it's working, so that's where I'm going today. Thanks for asking, mate. Thanks for all the loves and the 100% flying up in the chat. That really helps, phenomenal. It helps promote the channel and helps YouTube share it out when people do that. Really, really good. Okay, Virgin Galactic still going up 8.41. I set a 5 cents drop. I could have set 6 or 7 cents, and it would have stayed in the game. and ultimately that would have led to a better position. But at the end of the day, I don't mind. A profit's a profit. Okay. Here we go. Someone on TikTok says, Aria5090, take a video. I have no idea what take a video means. I'm sorry, I don't know what that means. Can you rephrase it? Okay, join us on YouTube, and it'd be easier for me to see your comments. Right, links in the profile. Just type in youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Right, an update for everybody. We got 3,000 watch hours on the music channel. You've all stopped at looping. We got as high as 3,000. We got 1,000 watch hours to go. Otherwise, I can't do the live concerts and the fundraisers and so on. We've got 1,000 watch hours to go. There's no more hours to fall off. We've got past that now, so I just need everyone to join in. Here's the music channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm the world piano man. 14 voices, many languages. This is my TV studio. Please click a playlist. You'll see videos here that I've done from The Lion King, look, when I was in theatre, Jesus Christ Superstar, Phantom of the Opera, my Vegas Showgirls, look, they're all here. Pick a playlist and let it run. I need to get to 1,000. I need 1,000 watch hours. So if you wouldn't mind, if you could help me out, there it is. It's just stuck on 3,000 at the minute. Anyway. Let's go. We just took some profits from Virgin Galactic. I've got my main position. There's my brokerage position there. I'm holding that. That's improving today. Very nice indeed. But I've just taken some profits on my Roth IRA. I have my scalp position and I have my long-term position. They're both different. They both get treated differently. And there we go. Did someone say piano man? There we go. We got a guest here. Is this from Korea or is that Chinese? Let me welcome our guests in. I would like to welcome our international guests. Are you from China or Korea? And we'll change that to Chinese.
我想欢迎来自中国或韩国的国际客人。
And I'll do it in Korean as well.
국제 손님을 환영하고 싶습니다. 중국 또는 한국에서 오셨습니까?
£5 a pint now here in the UK. Best aim for 300 grand before heading back. Tony Betts. Yeah, you're right. On it now, Piano Man. Thank you, Craig. Thank you. You can run it throughout the show. While you're watching my show, you can open another tab, another device, and have it running in the background. It really, really helps. Korea. Ah, great. Welcome our guests from Korea. We are doing our biggest ever giveaway. $1,000 value, $100 in cash, and over $1,000 in service value. Free to enter, free for all. The link is below.
한국에서 온 손님을 환영합니다. 사상 최대 규모의 경품 $1,000 상당 현금 $100, 서비스 가치 $1,000 이상 무료 입장 링크는 아래에 있습니다.
There we go. All right. So we're watching Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Not doing much yet. So we're soon going to get. See, look, we're getting support here, and we're getting resistance here. So which way is it going to break? It's going to break in a minute to the upside or the downside. We don't know which direction. If you want to own it, then get ready to buy some cheaper. If you have some, and like me, you want to take some money off the table, then you can do that as well. So I'm ready for either way. If it breaks, I'll buy some more. If it pops up, I will sell some. So either way around, I have a strategy, and either way around, I win. Okay? Without options trading, without fear, without any drama or anything at all. Okay. Let's do day trader of the day. I'm gonna get off now. Go to your main position. Oh, I didn't do this. Southwestern Energy. I sent you a Doge tip. Ah, is that what I saw? Something said it was coming through. I didn't know if it was right or not. That's what I saw. Oh, it hasn't come through yet. It said there was something moving, but when it comes through, it will come through in a minute, I'm sure. But thank you ever so much, Eric. Eric sent me a Doge tip. If you're using Robinhood, you can send for free using crypto gifting, or you can do it through, or you can do it for 0.0001 cent, which is wallet to wallet address. But it hasn't come through yet. It won't. It normally takes about 15 minutes. Last time it took 15 minutes, even though it said 24 hours. Let's see what happens. Thank you, Eric. I will look out for that. So, before we do day trader of the day, let me look at this. Southwestern Energy. This was a request for one of my members. So, if you would like to be a member to our channel and you would like me to review stocks, reply to all your questions, make videos for you, here is our Discord link. It's free for everyone to use Discord and communicate with all of us. There's Discord. Here's the invitation to join if you want to become a member. Ali, we will do your crypto challenge this afternoon. Let's have a conversation about different things today as well. Here is the newsletter. This is where we're giving extra tickets away for our giveaway. Goes out every Sunday. There it is. And here's the email you're looking for, because you need to verify the email. If you don't verify, you won't receive it. There you go. Let's see how many people have entered. I'm about to do Southwestern Energy. Virgin Galactic is pumping. I've just taken some profits from it. I did a stop trail loss at 5 cents. Could have made more if I'd left it, but that's fine. I'm enjoying the fact that I've got my main brokerage position doing well, which is over here, 14% down now. Not buying any more. That's the right for my risk. Virgin Galactic is going up. I said we'll get flights this week, more than likely. It's not confirmed, but when I ask my sources and they say nothing, it generally means there is flights this week. So that's why it's going up. I did take a profit from it, and I am fine with that. So what was I got? There was something I was going to say. Yes, I'm reviewing the stock for one of our members, Southwestern Energy. So let's have a quick look at it. Southwestern Energy is a holding company which engages in exploration, development, and production of natural gas. I don't like this kind of stock. I don't see any. I mean, we're always going to need gas and oil and everything else, but I think the dominance is going away. Solar and wind and all these other things is going to take over. So it's not really a stock that I'm passionate about. And if I'm not passionate about, it's not about being passionate, but it's about passion, so you'll research it, understand it. I don't have any passion for understanding this type of stock. However, first thing I like to do is zoom out. Okay, over the last 5 years, 21.61%. Okay, not too bad, nothing amazing. Doesn't give a dividend though. On that growth, I would have expected a dividend. It doesn't give a dividend. And it's only up 21% in 5 years. So that's not a great performance. Let's have a look. Does it make money? Yes, it makes money. The estimate is slightly down. It's slightly up from last quarter. It tends to 50-50. Beat earnings, miss earnings. The earnings is slightly elevated from last time. Still down historically. Okay, maybe a buy then at this stage. I don't see anything that exciting about it. And normally what I like to do is compare that to the S&P 500, do a back test portfolio, but I don't need to. If I did a back test portfolio, I can see without looking, it wouldn't even come close to the S&P. So even though it's okay, 21% in 5 years with no dividend, I don't see any point. It's down 35% on the year, but if you just pan out, it doesn't perform that well anyway. And I can't see it doing that. I can't see it growing into the future anyway that much. We know we'll get a bit of a bounce in the summer. There could be some profit here, but I think by that time, that's when the S&P is going to bounce. So I don't see any point. If I did a back test portfolio analysis, I'm sure I don't even need to do it. The S&P would be far less risky, pays a dividend, and pay a greater return. So for me, there's nothing about that which screams buy it. It's only a hold. It's not even a buy from our analysts. It's nothing. For me, it's nothing. That doesn't mean to say it can't pop up. Of course it can. But I see greater opportunity in other things. It's not a growth stock. I can make more money somewhere else without any risk. Is it a new company? It's been around since 1929. So it's a good old boys company. Price to earnings ratio, it's quite cheap. It's quite cheap. Price to earnings ratio, if you like, because it doesn't provide a dividend. That's why the earnings ratio is lower. It's okay. It's okay. It's just okay. Doesn't excite me, and I wouldn't buy it. I hope that's a fair assessment. Okay, let's have a look. How likely percentage-wise do you think space will fly within the next fortnight? I would say I would give it an 80% likelihood. 80% likelihood. So is this the right time to sell? Well, if you make a profit, you make a profit. How much profit do you want? Remember, no one ever lost making money. So right now, some of you would feel, oh, I've just received a tip. I've just received a Dogecoin tip by the looks of things. I've just received a tip. What can I share on the screen? This is how it looks. This is when you send someone a tip using Robinhood. You can do it for free. This actually isn't crypto gifting. This is sent through the wallet. But I've just received, I think that's about $1 from Eric B. Thank you very much indeed for that tip. If I go over to Dogecoin, I had 36 Doge before. I should have 48. And if I scroll up, there we go. Thank you ever so much indeed. Yep, 48. I just received a $1 tip from Eric B. With no deductions from YouTube. And there we go. Thank you very much indeed. Very, very kind of you. So you know what? That still counts. We still got to celebrate that. You know what? Here we go. Celebrate. Let's go to a super chat. Thank you, Eric B, for your super chat. There you go. It wasn't a super chat, but it's a tip nevertheless. Thank you very much, Eric B. Appreciate you very much indeed. All right. Now then. Let's have a look. The overall portfolio is coming up. The Roth IRA is coming up. All right, now then, don't even care that Virgin Galactic is going up. It's not important. Your overall brokerage position is going up. You like that. And you've also been able to make some profits from it as well, which is fine. Let's have a quick look. If I go to my position now, you'll see I'm at 51,000 again. My all-time high was 51,200. So we're heading back up there again. There's the Roth IRA coming up, and there is the S&P coming up. So everything's doing well. Everything's going up. Very, very nice indeed. Okie dokie. Looking good. Looking good. Still got a big loss that I need to reduce though. I'm still up by 7% on space and got around 1,000 shares. Very nice indeed. I'm right with you. I know exactly how you feel. I'm in the same position as you, Sid, from the Netherlands. I'm right with you. I know exactly what you're talking about. Right, let's do day trader of the day. Tesla. Can we take some profit? There we go. It's about to hit the resistance again for the third time. Let's see if it breaks at this time. The position was 1 178, 178. So if it breaks this position, it's likely, again, chart reading doesn't tell you anything about where it's going. It just increases the likelihood of where it's going. If it breaks 178 now, it's likely to break out after this dip today. And if it does, I can sell one for 190. I will happily do so. Thanks for all the loves and 100% coming in. Let's do day trader of the day. Let me change the screen a minute while I bring up, duplicate that screen. Oh, hang on a minute. That's Vu, isn't it? Oh, that's Vu. Yeah, I've got to duplicate the screen. For some reason, I've deleted one of my screens. Let me have a look. Okay, here we go. The S&P is coming up quite quickly. Nice. Okay, let's go over to my main position. Here we go. I am down 0.54, 53. Nothing at all. Happy with that. Thank you for the love coming in, by the way. Appreciate that in massively. It helps the channel. Down 0.53%. There we go. Let's put a minute on the clock and let's see who wins and who loses today. My overall position in my Roth is just down 0.12. I'm at 51,000 now. Looking good. Waiting for Tesla to break. When the first person posts, I should give a minute on the clock. Tesla, oh, it's broken it. Oh, it bounced off it again. It bounced off it again. It's bouncing off it again. It literally bounced right off the 178. Look, went straight off there and back down again. That's the third time now. So now I would suggest it's going to go lower. It's trying to break out and it can't, so it's likely to go lower. And if it goes lower, I just buy some more. Okay, and what I want to do now is start to lower my average because I'm at 168 because I've been buying it up from 110. So if it goes down, I want to buy it at 160 now. I don't want to buy it at 170. I want to start buying at 160 at least. 150 would be ideal. Anyway, let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. Down 0.53. Eric up 0.44. Congratulations. Eric wins. Oh, no. Sid Arthur is up 1.22. How many countries did you say you've been to? 195. However, there are some countries now, since I've done that, which are contested, which are no longer in existence. Countries change. I went to Yugoslavia once. It doesn't exist anymore. It's Croatia and Slovakia now, so countries change, but 195, JP Rothschild, up 5.03. We got a winner today, 5.03, reason why up 3.84, down 1%, Sensei, down 1.32. Let's clear the this now, up 5.03. Right, Tesla is trying to break again. If it fails this time, I would say the chances are it's going lower. Doesn't mean it is, but the chances are it's going lower. If it keeps trying to break the 178 and doesn't, would suggest it's going lower. But that doesn't confirm one way or the other. But if it goes lower, I buy more. If it goes up, I sell one. It makes no difference to me. Okay. Right, the winner is Stephen Lewandowski. So let's give a big thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. There we go. Stephen Lewandowski, thank you very much indeed. We're still looking at that Bitcoin breakout longer than we expected, but we have gone sideways in a tight range. Still high chance of a breakout this week. We've been reporting it now on the show. We had a video all about it. Hasn't happened yet. We're keeping an eye on Tesla. I've got to get going. I've got more videos coming out. We got the Twitch giveaway this afternoon. I'm giving away a $10 cash prize, completely free. It helps me if you enter. So please do enter. Use Amazon Prime Gaming to subscribe to me for free on Twitch. There is my Twitch. It promotes the channel, helps us here, and I pick one of you and you get a $10 cash prize paid out live on the show. Right now, I only have 4 subscribers, so you've got a 1 in 4 chance of winning. That's it from me. Let me roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Ali, I want to speak to you. If we can have a conversation, that would be brilliant. Don't forget to continue taking part in our giveaway. It's our biggest and best ever giveaway. martynlucas.com/giveaway. All right, we're giving away a $100 cash prize, $1,000 of value. It's broken. Tesla has broken 178. Let's roll the credits. See you back for the closing bell this afternoon. Yep, 178.94. It's broken now. 95, 96, 97, 98. There we go. Nothing on stars of the show today, so we don't need to roll that. Let me end the credits. Nothing to celebrate on the credits today, so we'll get rid of that. And that's it from me. Brilliant. You can see, look, Tesla broke. It's weak though. It's not bouncing all the way back. Doesn't matter. I'm up. I'll sell it if it goes to 190, and I'll buy some more if it goes to 160. Simple as that. All right. Thanks, Martyn. Thank you very much indeed. See you back this afternoon. If you want the link for the giveaway, here is the giveaway. martynlucas.com/giveaway. That's it. See you back in a couple of hours, guys. Thank you ever so much, and you have a wonderful day. Yes, give me a call. I'm available. Brilliant. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your money. Take care of your crypto and each other. Bye-bye for now.